Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. The market, I don't know what it's doing right now. We're looking at AMC. It's red, it's green, it's red, it's green, it's red, it's green. Shiba Inu coin, Bitcoin, all those coins down right at the moment, but AMC putting some nice green candles on the chart right now. Who do we have first in the chat today? Brandon Wall. Brandon, man, thanks for being first in the chat. Mark, Brandon, Zachary, Tim, and Brandon, baby, with a green name. Yes. Guys, I don't know who's in the chat right now, but you better be welcoming Brandon, grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Brandon, thank you very much. We'll make sure we get some more members to welcome you in here and say welcome, Brandon. Simoninho first in the chatinho. Simon, thank you very much for being in here as well. Guys, let's go check out and see what the market's doing, and then we will make sure people welcome Brandon for being in here. AMC, top left, sitting at 1182 right now. Getting some nice green candles in here. AMC pumping back and forth between red and green, bouncing off 1161. Got some pretty decent volume coming in towards the end of the day, and sitting at 1181 right now. Shiba Inu coin, top right, 1198. Really not doing anything at all today. 1170 to 1190 is a very tight range for Shiba Inu coin to be trading in right here, and all day long seeming to want to stay in that range right there. So Shiba currently sitting at 1199, trying to break that 1200 point per coin level. GameStop bottom right, 91.43, down 7% on the day. Pretty big drop there. Farmy, oh my gosh, biggest loser of the day, sitting down 16% right now. 0815 is where that's at. The NASDAQ getting hit pretty hard today, bouncing off a low right here, but sitting down 1.08% at the moment. Biora Therapeutics, or PROG for the old school members, is sitting at 75.62 right now. Up 1.5% on the day. AMC turning red down here again. Red, green, like I say. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the red right now. Bitcoin dropping down to 29,650. Sundial having an amazing day so far today. If you guys are in Sundial, congratulations to you. 20% gain on the day. That is looking very good. Mullen Auto, $1.14. Was it $1 this morning, right? Yeah, I think it was about $1 this morning, 99 cents, sitting up 15% this afternoon hour at $1.15 per share, up 15.75%. CEI, 76.37, up about 12% on the day. The SPY is down a third of a percent. BBIG up 5%, looking pretty good for BBIG today. Highcroft Mining sitting down at 1.12%, and Netflix is down in the red as well. $186.87 at the moment. So let's see some after hours action if we can get it, but let's see a nice strong close. That's what we're hoping for here. We're watching GameStop post green lines, AMC post green lines. Let's get some green lines on Farmy and Shiba Inu coin in the top right there. How's everyone doing? Let's go. Brandon, welcome. Yes, Brandon in the house, baby. Oh yes, I like it. Have you ever considered doing one-on-one classes? I'd sign up for them because we're connected like that kid in Iron Man 3. Seriously, I'd love to sit with you for 30 minutes or so. Eric, yeah, man. So I've thought about that, and no, I've never done anything like that before. I don't know, man. I just think it would be weird to do some one-on-one classes when you can clearly ask any questions that you want during the live stream. I have not ruled it out as a possibility, but I'm also not gonna lie, man. Between 2 live streams, 3 videos per day, it is a pretty busy day. But, dude, I mean, you can sit with me for an hour right here and ask all the questions you want, too. Houdinho da Brozinho do Ohio. Yes, I am from Ohio, and I am the Brozinho LGB. Let's go, Brandon Wall, man. Welcome, Brandon. Pika, thank you very much. I was actually a member in the past, but somehow I think my son canceled all my stuff. Brandon. Well, look, you do have that member chat, or that icon there, so it did pick your icon up from wherever you left off there. But Brandon, man, thank you for grabbing that green name again, and your icon picked up where you left off. You check out Luna 1 yet? Mike, I have not checked out Luna 1. But I am focused on Luna Terra, because a lot of people are wanting to get their hands on a nice lottery ticket play, seeing as how Luna is like at 0.0002 per coin at the moment. But I've not checked out Luna 1, no. Guys, interesting close. We got 5 minutes left. AMC still sitting in the green, or still sitting in the red, barely. I want to know what you guys think. Green or red on AMC? I highly doubt the GameStop closes green today, down 6.8%. I know Farmy's not going to close green today, down 15%. Shiba Inu coin, not looking like it's going to close green in the next 5 minutes, down 8%. But AMC in the top left, flirting with break-even, 11.76. Break-even is 5 cents higher, 11.81. We get ourselves to break-even. I want to know, over, under, green, red, 11.81, higher or lower? What do you guys think? Place your bets in the chat below, and we will see. Click is make it worth it your while, and I ain't talking fruit picks. In all seriousness, Clay, it would be very helpful. Yeah, Eric, I think it would be. I mean, not necessarily helpful, but I don't think that it would be an impossibility. Let me put it that way. I don't think it would be an impossibility. I have thought about it. I don't know the best way to go about it and things like that. But it's definitely not impossible for something that I would consider doing. JB mentioned something about a plan from a guy named Quan. I want him to bring Luna even lower. Let's see. So, Mr. Simon, I've actually seen several different plans from this guy, and I don't know if they're from this guy necessarily or not. So, yes, Do Kwon is kind of the creator of Lunaterra and that blockchain there and everything that was going on with UST. Now, the latest plan that I have seen is to basically migrate over to a new coin. And this is the weird part, okay? He does want to help all of the people that held it when the UST became depegged. So they would receive, and there would only be 1 billion new coins. Currently, there's over 6.5 trillion Lunaterra coins. With the new coin, everybody who held during the depegging would get 400 million tokens. Not each. They would split those 400 million tokens based on the amount of the pot that they owned at the time. The other 400 million tokens would go to everybody who holds at the time of migration based on the percentage of the pot that you currently hold. Another 10% would go to people who were holding Lunaterra the second time the blockchain was halted. Second time the blockchain was halted, they would get 10%, or 100 million tokens, split between them. And, of course, the development team would bag another 100 million tokens because they need paid. So, I don't know, man, if that's the plan they're going to go with. I really don't know what they're going to do. I'm honestly treating Lunaterra as it's going to live on as a meme coin with no project. Blockchain, yes, it could have. Project, I'm going to say probably not. So it is going to be interesting to see what does happen with that. But as far as like what plan they're going to implement and all of that stuff, that part, I don't think anybody knows yet. Something's wrong. Something's not quite right. Touch me, babe, all through the night. Oh, yes. Okay, so you're considering it. What do I have to do to be the first? Or better yet, what would it take? Let's be the trial. Dude, I don't know. I guess I would just have to figure out, like, the best way to go about it, man. Is it, like, just to sit down voice chat? Is it a video call? Is it over Skype? Is it over Zoom? Is it just, like, a private Twitter space? Like, what's the best way to go about that? I have no idea. I've never sat down for a call like that or anything, so I would really have to figure those things out before I went ahead and did it, I guess. The lava lamp is currently off. The lava lamp is currently off right now, but the lava lamp is right here. So, Danelle, if you're in here, the lava lamp is off right now, but it is right here, man. The other lava lamp is downstairs. Oh, man. We got a red line on farm. You're bringing us down to 816. Still down 15, almost 16% there. AMC, it's coming back. You guys didn't tell me if you wanted it over under, but it is sitting at 11.74 right now. Needs 7 cents to break even on the day. Shiba Inu coin, 11.97. And GameStop trying to bounce back a little bit with the green candle there. 6.94% lower on the day. Seeming to be a pretty mixed day, but the indexes seem to be lower. So we did have a couple of good runners here. Prague probably going to finish right around break even, if not red or green. Sundial performing very well today. Molinado and CEI, really the big movers on the day were these three. If it weren't for these three strong gains, today would have been a very difficult day across the board with all of these stocks down. So Apparently, we do have the close in right now. AMC closed at 1170. It was red. 1169, 1172 after hours, bouncing right around there. Shiba Inu coin, 1197 still. GameStop, 9169. CEI closed the day 11.51% higher, 7627. Currently sitting 0.5% higher after hours. We've got Farmy closing the day at 815 per share. Was down 16% on the day. Would love a little after hours run, but currently sitting at 8.25 cents after hours right now. We've got Sundial closing very well in the green, 20% higher, 21% higher, and 0.25% higher after hours. Mullen Auto down slightly after hours. CEI finishing very nice, 1151. SPY closed at 400.23. BBIG closed the day 4.62% higher at 272. And Highcroft Mining finished the day, break even at $1.34. Interesting trading there. And currently sitting flat after hours. And Netflix finished the day around break even, 0.60% lower on that one. Not too much going on after hours yet, but we will keep our eye on that. Yeah, video call, like something that could be done via Twitter, Line, Skype, some other choice. I'm telling you, people would love it. Eric, they might, man. They might. I don't know, man. I feel like sometimes I need a second to sit down and figure these things out. That would be the best way to go about it, man. Honestly, I'm not opposed to it. I'm really not opposed to it. I do have a count on how many days left for Sundial to meet the 6-month window. I might be mistaken, Remy, but I thought that was August 8th. Okay, I thought it was August 8th, but I could be mistaken on that date. If anybody else does know, I know AMC Trapper might, and Julia Gulia, she might know what the date is better than I do since I don't hold any, but I thought it was August 8th. Could be completely wrong on that. I'm happy today. I got stuck with Tesla puts on Friday because I couldn't sell them. Was able to sell them today for big gains. Boom, Eddie. I love it, man. I love it. What was Tesla down today? I know it was in the 700s, but I don't know where it is at. Tesla going down to the T's. Tesla sitting at 735, down 6% on the day. Shoot, man, getting stuck with Tesla puts on Friday didn't turn out too bad for you today then, did it, man? No, it did not. Not bad at all. Tilray having a pretty good day today, closing 7.5% higher. That's not bad at all right there. Veru was up about 4%. I heard some people talking about Veru earlier today, but I don't know. Yesterday was really a pretty good performer for Veru. Only up about 4% today. Not too much going on there. Let me see. What's that Tesla daily graph look like? Tesla daily graph looking pretty difficult right there. Tesla may be retesting these levels of support. Tesla testing. Oh gosh, I need to stop. I need to stop before you guys make me stop. All right, what do we got? Hey, Clay, sending love from New Jersey. Special needs homeschool finance school. I like it. Gallery Hope, man. Glad to have you in here. And shout out to you as well. Now, that's the kind of a green candle that I like on Farmy there. I wish we would have had those during the trading day. Let's see. What is a put? Can I perform it on Wealth Simple? Remy, I would assume, so I've never traded in Canada, but I would assume that you can use or buy and sell puts depending on what type of an account you have on Wealth Simple. What a put is, it's basically like a call option, okay? If you understand a call option, what you're doing there is you're betting on the price going up. You have the right. If you buy a call option, you are buying the right to call that stock away from somebody at a certain price at a certain date, or by a certain date, not necessarily on that date. A put option, let's say you buy a put option. What you are doing there is you are buying the right, not the obligation, but you are buying the right to put that stock to somebody at a certain price by a certain date. Now, what that would look like on Tesla, let's just say that Tesla is trading at $700 per share. So it's trading at $735 right now. You buy a put option for $700, okay? And you buy that $700 strike with an expiration by August, okay? So what you're saying is you believe that Tesla will be trading below $700 by August. It doesn't matter if it is trading at $400 a share, You bought the right to sell Tesla to somebody at $700 a share, and they have to buy it off of you for $700 a share. Now, the alternative is that you could sell that put outright for cash. So, maybe you don't have any Tesla stock and you don't want to sell Tesla to somebody for $700 a share. You could just sell your put outright, and you're going to make a bunch of money by selling that. Look at Farmy. Add a nice green line. There goes your red line. Oh, no, it's back green again. So it's basically the call option, but the opposite. Now, if you think that the stock price is going to continue going up or trading sideways, you may sell a put option. You are giving the right at that point to somebody else to put that stock to you. J Bones, man, 12-month member chat. J Bones, man, I'm telling you, I think you are the first person I have seen with a 12-month member chat. Thank you very much for having that member chat there. Appreciate you, bro. AMC to the moon. J Bones, you have no idea how much I appreciate you. J Bones, here's what I'm thinking about doing, okay? I have not bought the shirts yet. I am thinking about giving a free shirt to everybody that has got the 12-month member chat. So, if I do that, please do not forget to claim your free shirt, okay? I have not bought them yet, but if I do that, that's what I'm thinking about doing, because a lot of people are going to start turning that 12 months here towards the end of May, June, and July. So I am thinking about doing that, man. If I load up on some shirts, then you will definitely have one. And, don't worry. Just make sure that you let me know about that if I do end up going through and doing that. So thank you very much for having that 12-month member chat, man. Absolutely appreciate that. You are the man, dude. J Bones, yes, coming in with the first member chat of 12 months. I like it. Should we start moving our assets from Coinbase? So, Brandon, man, I don't think that it is imperative at the moment to just start fleeing Coinbase. If you do think that they're going to go bankrupt, yeah, I probably would. I don't want anybody telling me they're going to take my money and not let me have access to it if they go bankrupt. So I probably would if I thought they were going to go bankrupt, but I don't think they're facing bankruptcy right at this moment. Eric says, my suggestion is that you either take something away from your busy life and replace it with a session, say, one less video a day. For example, if you say, one YouTube video pays your 100 and then charge. Yeah, I could do something like that. Eric, I definitely could do something like that. I wouldn't want to necessarily price anybody out or say anything like that, but you are right. At some point, you do have to start making decisions on, what you're going to end up doing. Right? What you're going to end up filling your time with. And if people do want, either on a recurring basis or even if it's just like one-offs where we could even schedule something for, an afternoon or even a weekend for that matter too. I do think we can make it happen, man. I do think we can make it happen. I just got to figure out the logistics of it, but that's not a bad idea at all. You just got to prioritize, dude. You got to prioritize. Hello, everyone. Frodo, what's going on, man? I ordered a couple of Ledger devices a couple of days ago, waiting on them now so I can take my stuff off Coinbase. It was the craziest thing I've ever heard somebody tell me. They can take my money. Crypto epidemic, man. Doesn't that just hit you wrong when somebody's like, oh, your money's my money if I go bankrupt. You're a creditor. It's not even your money. You're just lending it to me. Dude, that's wild. I think that's wild, and I also think it's a little bit disrespectful. So, yeah, I don't know. I expect Coinbase to lose some customers because of that. I don't know if they care or not. It doesn't seem like they do, but I didn't like the way they went about that. J Bones, woohoo, congrats on 12 months. Bro, I love it. Didn't know. That's the first 12 months I've seen. I know that Mr. Normus has got to be close to 12 months if he's not at 12 months already. I know Stephanie, bro, she's been in here since the beginning. She's got to be at 12 months, but she doesn't come in very often. There's got to be some people out there right now that are real close, if not already at 12 months. But J Bones is the first 12-month member chat that I've seen. We had a cup of black coffee, a chocolate milkshake, and a bag of Cheetos all side by side. No, I have not. I don't know, Mr. Nice Guy, if I have ever had a chocolate milkshake. I do not really like chocolate ice cream. It doesn't taste like chocolate to me. It's probably like one of the last flavors of ice cream that I would get. It just never tasted like chocolate to me. Coinbase disclosure was mandated by the government via executive order on April 12th, 2022, not just directed at Coinbase. So Tinfish, that is very interesting. I don't know if that's the case or not, but it's still very weird, man. Very weird that in that case, the government then would want to take all your crypto assets in the face of a bankruptcy there. Let's see. Prior site, these not JK. I'm not even interested in cashews. Man, I prefer peanuts. No, cashews are good, but I actually don't know. Put salt on any of those nuts, man. They sound good to me. She may not coming off in clay, but do you? Devil's advocate. Now that is the question, man. That is the question. Yeah, bros, with all this Luna 2.0 and Coinbase pulling the plug on Luna on the 27th, what happens to any remaining Luna in your Coinbase, and how do you swap them in for the new Luna when on exchanges? So, Jim from Wales, excellent question, and I don't know the answer right now. I don't know if if we're going Luna 2.0, if they're going to give new coins out, if they're going to do some sort of a migration or fork like that. You would imagine that if they do, if you want it on Coinbase, then your Coinbase is going to have to list the new version of Luna in order for you to have that. And if it's a major migration like that and they expect to continue listing it, then they would, right? If you're holding it on a separate wallet or a decentralized exchange, maybe the Luna team would make it as easy as possible and that you just... any transaction, like any outgoing transaction, would burn your Luna at that point, but you would just add the new token's wallet address to your wallet there. Hopefully that would make it as easy as possible to claim your new version of Luna. But at this point in time, I still don't know exactly what Luna or Do Kwon or any of these people are going to do and what their recovery plan is. Who likes those strawberry milkshakes like me? Yes, I would much prefer a strawberry milkshake. Cherry milkshakes are actually really good, too. Cherry milkshakes are really good, man. I think I had a place close to here that's got some really good cherry milkshakes. I don't even really like milkshakes that much. I'm not a huge dairy guy. But, yeah, cherry milkshake with some actual cherries in it. Some good stuff there. Chocolate ice cream is near the worst. Vanilla ice cream with chocolate as a topping, near the best. Yeah, that wouldn't be bad. I would still prefer like a fruity topping on top of some vanilla ice cream. But dude, chocolate ice cream, it is weird to me. And some people love chocolate ice cream, right? But to me, it does not represent chocolate at all. I don't know. Good afternoon, everybody. Cassie, what's going on, Cassie? Devil's Advocate, hot fudge sundae any day. The hot fudge sundaes are pretty good. You think Shiba will change people's lives? Is it a good time to buy a little more Shiba now or wait for... So, Harlem. Yes, I absolutely think that Shiba Inu coin can still change people's lives. Even if it just reaches, look, even if you're getting in now and you get prices remotely close to the current price, even if it just goes back to all-time highs, you're sitting on an 8-9x increase in your money, and that is massive, right? That is a massive increase. And depending on how much you have invested, yeah, absolutely, an 8x increase would definitely do some very good things out there. As far as whether or not now's the time to buy, I do think that Shiba Inu coin is at a very low price. I also, in the same breath, think that the overall crypto market is still facing some very difficult times ahead, and we may not be at the bottom. So if you're looking at different stepping stones to add in and dollar cost average down and all of these things, then in that sense, yes, you could use this current price as an addition price. If you're wanting the perfect price, if you're wanting a price that it is never going to go any lower, one, I don't necessarily think we're there yet, but two, that is impossible to predict or call even at the same time. Yes, this is the lowest price. It's impossible to determine with any amount of certainty. This is the lowest of the low. Now, with that being said, you could get lucky, yes, but I still think that the prices we're seeing now are pretty cheap. All right, Rocky Road, butter pecan, strawberry, a moose track, cinnamon peppermint, vanilla bean. If it's ice cream, I want it. Nice, Cassie. I like I like cream pie. Me too, man. I mean, coconut cream pie, chocolate cream pie, Oreo cream. They're all good, dude. I think they're all good. I have 150 million Shiba coins now. Harlem, very nice, man. Definitely adding in Have you gotten any at the current prices? After almost a year and a half of trading, if I 8x my portfolio, I'd have $8. Boom, baby. Devil's advocate. $8 is better than $1, isn't it? I think everybody would agree that $8 is better than $1. French vanilla ice cream with crushed pineapple or fresh vanilla custard with hot caramel and crushed Snickers. Oh, dude, you guys know your ice creams, man. You guys, Alice in Wonderland, you guys know your ice creams for sure. I see people say Shiba coin and Shiba token, which is so Danelle. It is a token. It is definitely a token. I say coin just because it's a lot more common for people to say coin instead of token. And when people are searching for it, you know, they're searching for Shiba Inu coin as opposed to Shiba Inu token. But it is Shiba. It is a token. A coin lives on its own blockchain. A coin is, think of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Zcash, Monero. All of these coins, Litecoin is another one. It's a fork off of Bitcoin. All of those have their own blockchain. Shiba Inu coin, or Shiba Inu token, right? It uses Ethereum's blockchain. It is an ERC20 token, meaning it wouldn't exist without Ethereum. It would not exist without the Ethereum blockchain. It's built on that blockchain. That's a token when it's built on another coin's blockchain. So it is a token, but I say coin because everybody is looking for coin. So let's do this coming Saturday the 20th. Let's get together for, I don't think the 20th is a Saturday. I think the Saturday is the 21st. For 30 minutes and see how it goes. I know what I'd like to ask you, and I'd prefer to do it in a private. You plus me equals guinea pigs. Eric, I don't know if I could do it this Saturday. I think Saturday's the 21st, though, anyway, right? Yeah, Saturday's the 21st. Friday's the 20th. I don't know if I could do it this Saturday or not, but I'm not gonna say no right now. I'm not gonna say no, but I really don't know if I could do it on Saturday right at this point. Shiba Inu Coin's creator goes by the name Ryoshi, but very little else is known about the mystery cryptocurrency founder. Similar to the founder of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, they remain anonymous. Crypto Burger. Let me pose this question, okay? Let me pose this question. Do you think that a man named Ryoshi, or do you think that Ryoshi even created Shiba Inu Coin? I don't know. I think the ecosystem team may have invented a story that sounds really cool and just built an ecosystem up around it. I mean, think about it. You know, Shiba Inu coin was just released out into the ether to see what would happen to it. And he never claimed that he was the creator. He never claimed that it was him or not. But we have that story. So I don't know, man. I don't know. But what does that say about Luna? What do you think about the future of Luna? Do you think, honestly, so turtleneck sweater, not with the current outstanding supply, okay? They, on the way down, trying to save UST and trying to save the wreckage of their project, they minted trillions of Luna Terra. There's, at the last time I looked, I don't know what it is now. Last time I looked, there was 6.5 trillion of them outstanding. If they do not massively burn them, then no, I don't see a $6.5 trillion valuation on Terra or Luna when the overall crypto market is 1.2 trillion. I don't see that happening. Maybe like 30 years from now, I could see individual coins with that type of evaluation. Nobody wants to wait that long. Like I know that for a fact. Nobody wants to wait that long. But right now, no. A $6 trillion valuation is not plausible on anything at this moment. However, there's major burns that could easily take place on Luna, and there are different ideas and recovery plans that could also happen. They could take it to $1, but you would most likely have less tokens in that scenario, or less coins in that scenario. So burns would have to happen, man. But the good thing about that is I don't know who's holding all of those 6 trillion. If it's just sitting in a bag trying to bring UST back to $1, then yes, they could burn those. So is that before or after capital gains? The $8? Yeah, I hit the 20th, but I meant 21st. My bad. All good, man. All good. Or I mean, after taxes, I'd have $1. So break it even. Nice! Devil's advocate back down to the break even, man. Do you think Luna is done? I be honest, I've been buying, but every time I get in, so Harlem. I am absolutely treating Luna and just telling everybody to treat Luna as a lottery ticket, just a potential chance. Why? I do think that Luna is done. Okay, I don't think that they're going to salvage some sort of a project. The Luna blockchain, absolutely salvageable, right? I don't know what all they can build on that blockchain and how efficient that blockchain is compared to, Ethereum and Solana and all of these other blockchains that are out there. So I absolutely think that they could build on the Luna blockchain. That's a different story than just the Luna coin. What I think people should focus on with Luna at this point is just 100% meme status. Don't associate Luna with a project. Don't associate Luna with any guaranteed gains. Associate Luna as a risk that you may or may not be willing to take. And with that being said, I do know a lot of people do want to take that risk, and I've got a link at the top of the chat there if you guys want to use it. You're going to get $25 in free Bitcoin. And the way that I would play it, man, if you guys don't want to invest any money, just get the $25 in free Bitcoin on Voyager and then trade your Bitcoin, or just keep the Bitcoin if you want to keep Bitcoin and trade $25 that way. So it's essentially risk-free, right? You just made $25 and you completely risked the $25 on Terra there. But yeah, Voyager does make it very easy to buy. And then, if you've got somebody else with a Voyager account and you want to use their link too, absolutely go ahead. But use somebody's account, right? Get the free Bitcoin for signing up and making that deposit. But yeah, man, I wouldn't go out there unless you truly want to take that risk. I wouldn't go out there and, gamble thousands of dollars or anything like that. Treat it as a gamble. And if you want to mitigate your risk or alleviate yourself really of any risk, just go get the $25 in free Bitcoin by using that link, and then either swap your Bitcoin or keep your Bitcoin if you want, since it's at a decent price right now, and then spend $25, right? Who is Satoshi? Who is Ryoshi? How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? The world, man, actually 750, Frodo. 750. When Nick F., when we were young lads, Mom was going around shopping one time, and we were in the car, at just the mercy of parents, and bought us Tootsie Pops, and I tested that. 750 licks to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop, and that is 9 licks, and then just a suck. So 9 licks and a suck. The suck wasn't a big suck. The suck was just a suck to make sure the other side wasn't, getting left too far alone. 750. Is what it takes to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop. In case you were wondering, man, I have tried that before, and that is the result that I got. Just a simple as that, and 750, man. So the world does know. I just got to tell them. Tried explaining Shiba Inu to an 83-year-old volunteer at my job. He quotes Buffett and invests in gold, so he's not interested yet. Yeah, Alice in Wonderland, I don't know. 83 years old, that is a little bit old to be getting in cryptocurrency. I don't know if they're going to see the future unfold of what crypto really could become. And it's got to be scary for somebody to invest in, money that doesn't exist at that point. Does the dude even use a smartphone? or anything? That's the part that if he doesn't even use a smartphone, I don't know about digital currencies. Would have wondered if Ryoshi claims to not have Shiba, how could he have sent half the supply? Isn't that billions of dollars, nor a lot of money, nor a lot of people have that money? So Stony Vision, that's a good question, right? So when this so-called Ryoshi created Shiba Inu coin, it was worthless. It's just like you and I. If we go out right now We can create a token. I can make a bro token right now. I can pay the couple $100 and then the couple $100 or, you know, whatever the gas fees would be to create the tokens. I can make it a billion quantity or a trillion quantity or whatever quantity I want, pay the fees, and I've got a trillion bro token or a quadrillion bro token in the sense of Shiba Inu coin. I've got a quadrillion bro token worth absolutely $0. I've got a quadrillion bro tokens. So what I do in that sense, well, I'm going to send half of them to Vitalik. It's literally worthless, right? I'm sending half of them Vitalik, and I'm sending half to PancakeSwap, okay? Just going to put it in a liquidity pool out there and see if anybody wants to buy it. Well, I literally left zero for myself. I could go buy some if I wanted to and give it a price, you know, start the trading on it, give it some volume. But let's just say I don't, right? I send it out there to PancakeSwap and see what happens. I have 0 bro tokens. Vitalik has 50% of them. He's got 500 trillion of them. But he doesn't ever notice them in his wallet. They never show up, right? He hasn't added bro token to his wallet. And, you know, even if he had a wallet that showed every one of his assets, you know, it's going to be at the very end. It's going to be at 0. Nobody cares about it at that point. Well, what happened is Vitalik saw, I don't know if people were tagging him in it or if he saw the blockchain and saw the transactions that took place or how he noticed that it was in his wallet. But at the time that he did notice, yes, it was trading for great quantities at that point. And he said, I don't want to be associated with this token. I don't, it could be a scam. It could be something bad. I don't want it in my wallet. I don't want people thinking that it belongs to me or, you know, in anything, because he didn't want to ruin his reputation based on what it would do. So because he never bought it and didn't own it or anything like that, he did send it away. He burnt like 400 whatever trillion Shiba Inu tokens, and the rest he sent like $1 billion worth to pandemic relief in India. So Ryoshi himself may have bought tokens along the way, or this creator, who knows if he's actually Ryoshi, this creator may have bought tokens along the way. We don't know though, right? We don't know whose wallet belongs to who and things like that. You guys keep asking why Luna is down. The reason why Luna is down because everyone is scared to buy. Everyone waiting for Luna to drop, and that's why we go to 0. We're waiting on each other to buy. What is that? That's like a principle, man. Like the bystander effect, or there's something like that, man. Where if somebody passes out, somebody else is gonna help him. Who else is gonna do CPR, mouth to mouth, right now? Well, I'm sure somebody else is gonna do it. Whereas if it was only you there, you're more likely to act, right? But yeah, you could be right, man. Everybody's just waiting on the price to go down, waiting on other people to buy, waiting on people to drive it up, and so on. Yeah, I think it might be the bystander or something like that. I'm not sure. Bold oral move, Cassie. Oh, but I like the enthusiasm. Dang it, I missed it. The dude's not even real. Yeah, real. She might not be real. Bro token, or a real example. No, I do not have a bro token. There are bro tokens out there. Sam Demand. I do not have any bro tokens. The bro tokens you're probably going to see maybe scams if they're on Binance Smart Chain and things like that. So be careful if you do see one. I do not have any tokens associated with me at this point. He loves quoting Wall Street Journal articles about Bitcoin. It's the only cryptocurrency that exists to him. Like many old... Yes, Alice in Wonderland, 100% agree with that. And I don't know, quoting other people is good if you could do that. But I would prefer to understand it and then make up my own mind. But, yes. I just signed up for Voyager and used your code. Boom! Brandon, very nice, man. You're going to grab that $25 in free Bitcoin. And then I don't know if you're going to trade Lunaterra or not. But good luck if you do, man. I hope that everybody that does end up getting in that really ends up making off. Yeah, I hope you guys make off with a ton of money, man. Even if you're just throwing $25 in. I would love to see 1,000x and everybody walks away with like 25 grand. That'd be sick. Your coin will be named Clarinho da Brasinho do Ohio to... God, man. Could you see like people hashtagging that? Just writing all of that out right there? Simoninho. That would be a very long mouthful, man. I like your take on Luna. It's a gambling ticket. I feel the same. Yeah, Jason. At this point, you gotta look. I would feel bad if I was trying. At the same time, right? I have no problem pointing you in the direction. If you want to buy it, use that link at the top of the chat. Like, by all means. I'm not gonna ever tell you guys what you can and can't buy. But I want you to know that it's a risk, right? I don't want everybody to just blindly go in and buy something like that. I would feel bad if I was sitting here telling everybody that you're going to make millions of dollars by getting in or whatever. Please, just know it's a risk, man. But at the same time, I really don't even consider it a risk if you are, like, if you're signing up, you're getting $25 in free Bitcoin, and who doesn't want to hold Bitcoin? Right? And it's at a decent price right now. It's half price. So you get your $25 in Bitcoin. Even if you want to trade your $25 as opposed to the $25 in Bitcoin, you take $25 bet in Terra, and even if it goes to zero, like literally zero, stops trading and everybody got duped, you still got that $25 in Bitcoin, right? So you're break even at that point. Really have nothing at all to risk. So I think that's one of the smartest ways to go about it. Is to do it that way, man. If you want to take a $100 bet, take a $100 bet. I know people like the potential for it to go up and things like that, but yeah, you guys know your situation better than I do. If you want to get your $25 in Bitcoin and buy $10 in Luna, I mean, shoot, man. I don't know if anybody's gonna be super upset about $10, right? I mean, maybe you will. If that is true, don't take $10 out in Terra, please. It's just a risk, right? We know that. We need Chip Bro token. We can go. Cassie, there are so many new chipmunks like coming out of the woods over there. I want to become friends with all of them. And my dad came over. It was yesterday. It was the day before yesterday, I think. No, yesterday. It was yesterday. And he was driving up the driveway, and he's like, oh, man, I was coming up the driveway and I almost hit 2 chipmunks. I'm like, dude, you better not be hitting no chipmunks in this driveway. And I looked over there. I am 98% sure that I saw Littletail. I have not seen Littletail since last year, and I'm 98% sure that I saw Littletail. He did not let me get close to him, but this chipmunk did not have like a full tail. So I'm going to be keeping my eye out. I thought for sure that dude was gone. I have not seen him since like well before like fall of last year. So I'm excited that I saw potentially Littletail yesterday. Mr. Nice Guy, thank you for the super chat. Clip live for short videos in the zone moments. Do it, man. Do it. If you guys want to clip, you guys can clip the clips, man. Clip the crap out of the live stream if you want. Clip the clips out of all the videos, out of all the live streams. Share the videos if you want. I mean, shoot, man. Just make sure to tag me if you share. The more people that see it, the better, right? I don't care if you guys share it. Just tell them to subscribe to the channel if you do. Bitcoin to 10,000. J-Bones. It is possible, man. It is possible. If Bitcoin falls through 30. I think it's got a little support at 20 and major support at 10. So I don't think it's an impossibility, J-Bones. Let's see. Somebody said $11 in Luna. Alice, how about a whole $11 in Luna? Joyce, nothing wrong with having a little exposure, right? Nothing wrong with having a little exposure. $11, I don't think you're going to be too upset if you lose that $11. Hey, if it turns into 100, great. And you get $100 now. If for some reason things like 1000x and you walk away with $11,000, I mean that's a solid action there. Shiba 50 cents. Donaldo, unless they burn a literal ton of tokens, man, I don't see it hitting 50 cents. 50 cents would be a $250 trillion valuation with the current outstanding supply. So it would need to have a massive 99.9% of all tokens burned. Anything with Inu will retire you. Well, let's hope so, man. Did he do that? Clay, I see a green today in my portfolio, but my shares of BBIG need to be registered in order to receive Cryptide, or am I fine with holding them through my brokerage? So did he do that? It's going to be like any dividend for that matter. You do not have to directly register them. So how that works is if you hold them through your broker and you hold them through the X date and everything is fine. Like you hold them through all of the dates that you need to hold them through. And you are the shareholder on record, right? It's not necessarily going to be you, but you are going to be the holder on record. Your broker is the actual shareholder on record with the company, with BBIG. So the BBIG sends those shares out to your broker, and because you are the proxy holder, or what they call the street name holder, your broker gives you those shares. So you do not have to directly register it. It's just treated as a dividend, man. You don't directly register your shares to receive that dividend. Your broker pays you that dividend out in the same way you would get that share crip type. Just as long as you hold it when you need to hold it, you're going to get that. It's gamble choice. That's a smart move. Yeah, I don't want to see anybody going out there and gambling 10 grand or anything. I mean, you can if you've got millions of dollars and you that's just what you want to do. Take a gamble. I can't say that you can't gamble 10 grand if you're multimillionaire or anything like that, but please do not bet your life savings on Luna unless you literally are a lunatic. I mean, you can do it if that's what you want to do. But gosh, don't make me nervous, okay? Don't take an equity line out on your house and bet it all. Oh my gosh. Don't, unless you got some sort of a backup plan where you're leaving the country and changing your name or something. I don't know. Don't stress me out like that by doing that stuff. I'm telling you guys, Shiba's Predator EV3 is going to be new Shiba. Not even just saying that. Developers are well known. Wait a couple of months, you will see that name everywhere. Juggler forever, man. Listen, I'm not going to deny that that's possible. Same deal happened with Shiba Inu coin. Blew up out of nowhere, and here we are today. So, Juggler. I mean, if you guys like to take risks like that, I say go for it. Clicky the likey. Clicky that likey. Please do, guys. Clicky that likey. Listen to know. We're sitting on 51 likes right now. I know you guys can get it well above 51 likes. There's 154 of you in here. Clever, how can I make membership change my name to Sam number 2 so other Sam and me don't confuse you? Sam number 2. The best way, guys, what's the best way to change your name? Just going into your Google account, or can you do it in the YouTube app? I'm pretty sure you got to do it in your Google account, right? Isn't that where you change your name? You guys that change your name like 50 times a day, tell Sam Demand the easiest way to go through and change his name. Please give him a little tutorial for anybody that's wondering. Like if you don't want your first or last name or something in your name right here, if you want to change your name, somebody's going to give you a little tutorial there on how to do it. I'm pretty sure you got to do it in the Google app, but there might be an easier way to do that. Sam Demand, you should be able to click on your picture and edit your profile. There you go. Alice in Wonderland says, click on your picture and edit your profile. Me too, Tim. Me too, Tim. It's so generational wealth, man. I hope you guys all just destroy it, man. You can change name on YouTube app. Just go to account settings. Okay, so you don't have to go into Google. Go to account settings on your YouTube app, man, and you should be able to change your name right there. Okay, Alice in Wonderland, thank you. Mr. Semenino, thank you for that, too. I didn't know if you had to go out to Google or not. I don't mess around with changing my names like you guys do, and you guys do it so much, and oh my gosh. Is it I Need a Love by LL Cool J, Paul? I mean, it could be, man. 155 like it, 51 likes. Everyone, click that like button. Did we listen to Kim or not? Let's see if we listened to Kim. Some people did. It got up to 66 likes, so thank you. Alice is right. Follow Alice's. Click on your picture and then change it right there. Easy as that. Pringleton and Crypto Rocketeer would be very good at this point in time if they were in here because they change their name like 20 times a day. Don't fall down the rabbit hole. Brandon Wall, I would love to fall down a rabbit hole and find me a little rabbit. I've got a baby bunny in my backyard and I want to be friends with him so bad. But I don't know if he's going to want to be friends with me. He won't let me approach him. Hey, girl. Remtac, what's going on, man? Of course, Sam. Got you. Thank you, Alice in Wonderland. Guys, little recap what we got going on over here. AMC, not doing too much after hours, really trading sideways, sitting at 1178 right now, up 0.60%. Shiba Inu coin, 1202, basically flat all day long today. GameStop sitting at 91.80. It closed at 91.80, sitting at 91.93 after hours. Farmy, literally no shares being traded right now. 0, 0, 12, 1, 100, 16, 1,000, 50, 50, 55, 400, 3,600, 4 shares. Nothing going on with Farmy down here. We've got a Biora, nothing going on after hours. Looks like very, very stagnant after hours trading right now. That's no good. We don't want stagnation. We want action. Bitcoin sitting down 5%, 29,656. Sundial giving back a little bit of its gains that it had earlier today, sitting down 4.70% after hours. Mullen Auto, same deal, giving about 7% back after hours here. BBIG giving some back today, sitting down 5% after hours. Highcroft Mining down a little after hours to $1.30. Netflix break even there, but not a ton of action. Let's see if Bitcoin does anything. All right, now we'll keep our eye on that for the next few minutes here. Sam Demand number 2. Yes, it did, man. Sam Demand number 2 showing up right there. Sam Demand number 2. Got it. Got him. Cabbage Clay, bro. The trick is bringing... Really? Tim, I cut a carrot up, man. I cut a carrot up earlier, and nobody seems to want to eat this carrot. Cabbage. I need to get these guys some cabbage. All right, Tim, I'm going to remember that. I'm going to be friends with these... I'm going to be friends with this little baby bunny that's out there. I got to get this guy some cabbage because I'm telling you what, man, this dude is so cute. I took like a fully zoomed in picture. It was kind of blurry, so it wasn't that exciting. But, oh my gosh, he's got the tiniest little ears. He barely comes up over the grass. Gotta become friends with this guy. Gotta become friends with this guy. YouTube, support Pika. I like it, man. Pika is amazing. Mullen did wonderful today. Mullen did do wonderful today. It is giving back some of its gains that it had today. Not terrible, but it was up 18% today. Closed at $1.17 after being at like 99 cents. Currently sitting at $1.11 after hours right now. So still up about 11-12% from the lows that it was seeing earlier today. Even Bitcoin trying its best to stay up there. It was above 30,000 this morning. Above 30,000 this morning. Currently sitting at 29,688 right now. Hoping for the best for Bitcoin, man. I do not want to see. I mean, a part of me does, but the other part of me doesn't want to go through some sort of a huge bear market where people are saying crypto's dead and things like that. Why some of us keep getting deleted? Just trying to share a project that has very big potential, created by Shib and Doge whales that are partnered with them for SpaceX. Jacob, man, I actually didn't see your message getting deleted anywhere. It may have been flagged for some reason. I don't know if it was getting deleted or not. If it got flagged, I never would have saw it come through Streamlabs because like if YouTube holds it for whatever reason, could be because of you having like some sort of a trigger word in there or having like a certain amount of emojis or something like that. That could have held it. Hey, Clay, I was thinking about setting up a channel similar to a podcast. Do you think a platform might be better than the other? So, Zachary, like Facebook, YouTube, like that stuff? Or are you talking platform like where you can release podcasts like Apple and things like that? I think one of the best things you can do, man, and I don't do it, but I probably should, is just use like Restream. And you can stream it on multiple platforms at the same time. Like I don't have a Twitch account. I should just make a Twitch account and see if anybody on Twitch wants to follow and wants to listen along. But yeah, dude, you just use like, and you don't even need to pay for like Streamlabs Premium or anything like that. You can if you want to get like the free skins and stuff, but just use like download Restream and you'll be able to connect multiple accounts to it, and then you don't have to choose which platform you want to use, which I mean I should I should do that. I gotta do so much stuff, man. I feel like smacking myself in the face. I need to do so much. Mr. Nice Guy, I was going to post that too. Thank you. Pika in here. I don't know if Pika's in here. Pika, you in here? If the market keeps falling, I'm going to change my name to Broke U.S. Marine, DD214. Brandon, might not be a bad idea, man. Might not be a bad idea. We're all going to be broke with you if the market keeps falling, though, dude. I'm telling you. Even I have a Twitch account, and I'm oh my god, I gotta do a Twitch, son. Man, I'm lamer than Danelle. Oh my gosh. What? I'm lamer than I don't even believe it, man. I'm lamer than Danelle. Now I know I gotta get a Twitch account too. Stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. I don't know how I would tell the difference between you guys, but I'm gonna have to do it. My goodness. J-Bones saying if the market goes down, yeah, if the market keeps going down, man, we're all just gonna be broke together. Right? It's good. I'm gonna be broke, bro. You could be the broke Marine or whatever. We got plenty of names, man. I'll be the broke bro, or just broke with capital BRO. You know what I mean? I'll just be broke with a BRO. Restream. All right, I appreciate it. Zachary, absolutely, man. It might take a minute to set up on your desktop or whatever, but at least you'll be able to stream to multiple platforms at the same time that way. And I don't think that it should cost you, right? If you don't want to pay for the premium, dude, don't pay for the premium, right? Why do it if you don't have to? 11 at Twitch. I joined Discord and can't shut the stinking thing off. I'm telling you, Kim, I don't know how to do that. I am in like two or three different Discords. I have no idea how to turn the notifications off. I think I might just leave. Like, I don't know how to work Discord either. I gotta learn how to do this stuff, man. We will all reach the promised land. Just be patient, family. Thesis hasn't changed. Shorts still need to cover. And we set Frodo 100%, man. 100%. I know a lot of people are just tired, right? But you're absolutely right. Nothing along those lines has changed at all. It is, I don't know if I cut out. It's just the sentiment, right? Instead of going from like $1 to $11, we've gone from $70 to $11. So instead of seeing it as an increase in price and being happy with 11, we see it as a decrease in price, being upset with 11. So it's all perspective, man. And you are absolutely right, though. The other stuff has not changed at all. I mean, they believe you can't shut them off. I'm telling you, Kim, it's like ridiculous. I'm here, but I can't chat. I'm super busy at work. Thanks, Mr. Nice Guy. Pika Power, listening in the background. I love it. Pika, thank you. Pika hears her name, and then she's like, oh my gosh, I gotta chat these idiots right now, making me chat. Pika, enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Thank you. The market keeps going down. I show my OnlyFans here shamelessly, but in reverse, you pay me to not send news. I like it, Tim. It's a good idea. You get these guys emails. And then they pay you not to send them pictures. Otherwise, you're gonna spam them. You're gonna spam them with all these pictures. It's not a bad idea, Tim. I think you might be onto something. Happy birthday, Pika. Today is not Pika's birthday. Come on. Today is not Pika's birthday. Is it Pika's birthday? If it's Pika's birthday, I gotta sing. I so want a bull run, a video. So I'm telling you, Kim, I want a bull run too. You have no idea. I'm in over 40 Discord servers, and we go crazy if I couldn't turn notifications off. Frodo, I don't even know how to do it, man. This is transparent. I am lurking in the background. Chris, what's up, man? Lurking in the background. I like it, always. What's going on with airlines in after hours? United and AA are going crazy. Interesting, Tap. I have not heard anything about, where's American Airlines? AL. American Airlines is not going crazy today, is it? After hours it's only up 1% after hours right now. It's not like terribly crazy. United. What's United? What's United's ticker? I don't know what United's ticker is. Thank you, Clay. No, it's not my birthday. Have an awesome day, everyone. Pika. Perfect. I just had to make sure it's not your birthday, because if I miss singing to you, I would be devastated. Come on now. What's so confusing about the Discord notifications? You have 1, hide muted channels. 2, server notifications to nothing. 3, suppress all role mentions. 4, suppress everyone and here. 5, mute new events. Exactly. Do I have to do it all? There's a lot of hacks going around Discord, so please uncheck allow direct messages. Yes, please do that, because I think that's like half the direct messages that I get is from like NFT project people trying to scam people. So please, just don't even message anybody on there. But yes, Southwest is the only flag. I thought JetBlue was buying Spirit. Oh well, I thought somebody did. Clay, I told you how to do it in a previous post. Oh, Frodo. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's probably my bad for not paying attention to it. What's your thoughts about Shiba and Terra Luna? So Moment Studios. I'm gonna tell you, I like Shiba. Okay, I like the project longer term. I do own Shiba, and I think it's much more of an investment at this point than Terra Luna is. Now, that's not to say go load the boat or anything like that, but Terra Luna, on the other hand, is a lottery ticket play. My thoughts on that are just take a lottery ticket chance on it if you want, right? I don't expect Luna to grow as a project at this point. The blockchain absolutely could be salvageable and usable, but as a project, maybe, but don't invest based on Luna recovering as a project. The way I would take it, man, and if you want, like if you know somebody else with a Voyager account or whatever, you can use their link, but you got a link at the top of the chat that you're going to get $25 in free Bitcoin. If you just want to take a $25 chance, dude, get your $25 in free Bitcoin and then buy $25 in Luna if you want. I mean, simple as that. You know, I think a lot of people want to hold Bitcoin, at least longer term, right? So you're going to have that there, and it's going to offset, even if your Luna goes to zero and you lose all $25, it's going to be offset by the $25 you gained by making that account. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Treat it as a gamble and see what happens. But one of the best ways to do, maybe, you know, sign up for a broker like that, get the bonus, and then spend the bonus on Luna so you're not out anything. Right-click on the Discord server icon on the left side to turn off notifications. All of them, right? I should turn all of the notifications off. You're going to buy a piece of land in the metaverse. Remy, you know, not at the current prices. Not at the current prices, man. I don't know. I don't know if I'll buy land. So it's interesting, the land sales. You watch the Shiba Inu coin land sales, and they're still not sold out. And then you've got projects like Yuga Labs. And I know Yuga Labs is different because of Bored Ape Yacht Club and so on. But in all honesty, man, you know, Shiba Inu coins got 3.3 million followers just on the main Twitter. They should have sold out 100,000 plots of land to over 3 million people. But they didn't. And I don't know about the rarity of any of these lands in the Shiba Inu coin metaverse or these NFTs. Of course, it's nice to have land near a hub that people wanted and they paid more for up front. But a lot of people are excited about these codas and things that are in the other side, NFTs. And, dude, they're selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's absolutely ridiculous what's going on over there. So, no, I probably won't buy any of the land, at least at these current prices, man. Maybe if they come down to something else. But with not even having sold out, I'm just not sure that the demand is fully there. Only use money you like or you're about to throw in the trash with Luna. Lil Moon Doge. And if somebody's going to give me $25, hey, man, I'm not even worried about it at that point. That's why I'm saying, you know, check the link out and all that good stuff, because even if you lose it all, you're still basically breaking even there with the bonus you got. Let's see. Luna has become a lunatic, centralized, and extreme inflationary. Why support such at all? Okay, so exactly. Newson Runis. I don't know how to say your name, man. Sorry about that. I agree. Okay, that's why I'm treating Luna at this point as a complete meme. Why support it at all? Because the same mentality that went into people buying Shiba Inu coin when it had no project whatsoever was that they were buying it simply because it can rise in value. And Luna's the same deal right now. It may not have a project. It may not have anything going for it. But people are interested in that, you know, gambling or lottery ticket aspect of it, where it could just shoot up at any given time. You know, maybe it's not based on a project anymore. It's based only on supply and demand with nothing else driving it other than technicals and price. So that's kind of the mentality. Treat it as a 100% risk, but, you know, it could definitely go up. Now, salvageable parts. Maybe the coin isn't salvageable, but the blockchain, I believe, absolutely would be salvageable, and they could do something with it. Luna's easily worth a $100 gamble. Yeah, Craig, man, I don't know. I mean, for some people, 100 might not be worth a gamble and things like that, but I would imagine, you know, signing up, getting $25 in free Bitcoin by using that link up there, and then just buying your $25 in Luna, you know, you're not going to lose at that point. So it's kind of like risk-free. It's not free because you have to, you know, you're going out there and betting on it, but it's basically risk-free because you're giving you the $25 in Bitcoin. Pudgy, man, thank you for the super chat. Pudgy says, listen while you work, doodle-lot, doodle-doot. Sing it for Pika. Listen while you work, doodle-doot. Pika, this is for you. Listen while you work, doodle-doot. There you go. That's from Pudgy, Pika. That's from Pudgy. Listen while you work. Yes, Pudgy man, thank you very much. Pika, that is for you if you're listening right now while you're working. Putting money into Luna that I would have spent on lottery tickets or what at a casino? Well, not me personally, but that's the idea. Exactly, Alice, exactly. What are your thoughts on Ethereum merge ever going to reach Bitcoin? Listen, I don't know if the price of Ethereum, like the market cap, will ever reach Bitcoin. I don't know. Right, I expect Bitcoin to grow along with the overall crypto market, and same thing for Ethereum. I do, however, think that the Ethereum merge is it's going to be beneficial. Okay, whether it doubles the price of Ethereum, you know, I don't know if just the merge is going to do that, but I absolutely think the price of Ethereum can double and triple in price from where it's at right now. So I do see great things ahead for Ethereum, and the merge being one of them, but I don't know if it's necessarily going to cause an immediate doubling. Robbie's going to melt face. There you go, the Robbie, man, buying Robbie. I'm not buying any Robbie there. Would you rather put my money into Robbie? Well, we got some Robbie holders in here. I don't know what Robbie is. Robbie forever. Emily likes the Robbie. Good deal, guys. Emily and Robbie sitting in a tree. Buying. Here comes the Robbie guys. Awesome job, Clay. Boom, baby, that's what I'm talking about. But Pika's not even listening. Bob Bones, you leaving, man. Jay Bones, see you later. I'm a Cardano fan. I'm a nut. No, I don't think so, Kim. I think that everybody's got some coins that they like that really stick out to them. And I don't think you're nuts, just if you like Cardano there. Jay Bones, have a great one. Everybody have a great one, including Jay Bones, the first 12-month member chat that I have seen. We love Robbie. Oh, yes, man, we love Robbie so much. Robbie, good guy. Anybody actually named Robbie in the chat? I don't think there's anybody named Robbie in here. Mr. Nice Guys, just trying to, thank you. Send a Pika, a great minds think alike. Oh, man, did you guys clip it and send it? Clip it and send. Clip it and send. Clip it and send. Jay. Oh, see you, Jay. I thought it was like Jay. Jay. Bitcoin, guys, gaining right now. Bitcoin going from 29.5 back about an hour ago, sitting at 29.9 right now, up $400. Not a bad move in Bitcoin. Shiba Inu coin, kind of, I want to say following along, but not really. I mean, Shiba Inu coin's gone from 1,200 to 1,209. Not a very big move at all going on there. After hours action does seem to be pretty subdued right now. Not a ton going on over here in stocks, guys. Netflix really sitting sideways. AMC top, you guys can see that sitting sideways. Highcroft not doing anything. BBIG, I mean, it's down, but it's not doing anything right now. The SPY not doing anything at all. CEI not doing anything at all. Molinado down, but also like sideways for the last hour. Sundial down, but sideways for the last half hour. Let's see. Farmy sitting sideways after hours. Biora Therapeutics sideways after hours. GameStop doing the same thing, sitting sideways after hours. Not a ton of action going on after hours today, guys. The charts aren't moving. They're sitting still. Let's see. Robbie. Everybody loves Robbie. Who is Robbie? I don't know. But what I do know is that if you fellas want to talk about Robbie, you're going to have to make sure you click the subscribe button. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to click the subscribe button if you want to play the game and talk about Robbie. I don't know if you have already or not, but hey, we're going to get those sub numbers up. So, subscriber only mode, guys. Emily, I know you love Robbie, but you got to subscribe to the channel if you want to love Robbie in here. Ooh, and it is 5 o'clock, man. I cannot believe it. Guys, you really do make time flying here. I want to say thank you to everybody that hung out. We had 100 likes. Did we get to 100 likes? No, 89 likes, guys. 11 people, please click the like button on the way out. Get it back into triple digits there and get us to 100 likes. Really appreciate that. But we will be taking off for now. We're going to have videos in 2 hours, videos in 3 hours, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern time. Would really appreciate it if you guys watch those, share them. And seriously, I know that you guys probably are amongst the first to see a notification and go out there and watch it and all that good stuff. Really appreciate the support, man. You guys are absolutely incredible, especially in the face of bear markets and red days and things like that. Cannot say that I appreciate you guys enough. So thank you for that. Let's get some shout-outs, guys. We will be back on tomorrow morning in the live stream, but the video is tonight. So, Shredda, man, peace out to you. See you later. Paul, enjoy your evening. Danelle, Shredda. And look, I don't know if Paul or Frank or anybody else is going live, but if you guys want to go live and check one of their streams out, please let us know in the chat right now before we sign off. You guys can go hang out with them. Once Upon a Time Storytelling. See you later. Frodo, enjoy your evening. Morgan, love you, man. See you later and enjoy your night. Kim, Aaron, see you later. JB, 102, we did it. You guys are amazing, man. Bill K, Clay, go feed the bunny. Bill, I gotta go get some cabbage, man. I gotta see if he's eating that carrot. I don't know if he is. Tim, enjoy your evening. Kim, see you later. 103, we did it, man. Clapping cheeks all day long, man. That's what we got going on right here. Mr. Nice Guy, thank you. Chevy Silver Raider. Paul, Michael, Emily, Rob, Emily subscribed. Emily, thank you. But she still loves Robbie. Kim, dabbing on him, baby. Go get those pumpkins. Not just yet. October, I will have the pumpkins. Buenos noches. Did he do that? Buenos noches to you, to you as well. También. Paul writes, live 11 a.m. Thank you, Clay. Check out Paul in the morning, then come hang out with us. Do that, man. Paul, awesome. Tomorrow morning, 11 a.m., hang out with Paul, have some coffee, and then come jump in the live stream at 11:50. Don't forget Pika. Yes, Pika is listening right now. Shout out to Pika for listening while she's at work. Thank you very much. DD214, later to you. Newson, man, we're not incredible, but credible. At least you're not, okay, you're not incredible, but you might be credible. Newson, man, thank you very much for being in here. Mimu, salam alaikum. See you later. Enjoy your evening. Once upon a time storytelling. Enjoy it, and you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Zachary, Paul, and Ziptic. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.